Looking for a reliable replacement key for your RV? The RV Designer T800 replacement key blank is designed to fit locks that require a T800 key, making it a perfect match for your camper or motorhome. If you've struggled to find the right blank key, this product offers a straightforward solution that works smoothly every time. Many customers have noticed a significant difference in how smoothly this key blank operates compared to others, even when cut by the same locksmith. While it might be a bit pricier than generic blanks, the superior fit and ease of use make it worth every penny. That smooth operation means less wear on your lock and fewer frustrating moments trying to unlock your RV door. The quality of this key blank stands out as well. It matches OEM standards, ensuring it's just as durable and precise as the original factory key. One user shared how they brought the blank to a locksmith, who copied their existing key perfectly. The result? A key that works just like the original, providing peace of mind when you need a spare. For camper owners with only one key, finding a replacement can be a real headache. Dealers often don't stock spare keys, and many key cutting shops can't help without the right blank. This T800 replacement key blank bridges that gap. It's a smart buy for anyone looking to secure a backup key without the usual hassle. One camper owner took a chance ordering this key blank and was able to have it cut using their original key. The new key fit flawlessly and now works perfectly in their camper door. This experience highlights the key blank's compatibility and reliability, making it a practical choice for RV owners facing limited options. If you want a replacement key that delivers smooth operation, OEM-level quality, and compatibility for your camper, the RV Designer T800 replacement key blank is worth a look. It's designed specifically to help you avoid the common frustrations of missing or hard-to-find spare keys. Ready to avoid lock troubles and keep your RV secure? Try the RV Designer T800 replacement key blank when you're ready. It's a straightforward, dependable way to get a spare key that works as well as the original, no guesswork, no hassle.